Hello, my name is Anton. I'm co-founder of StartBlock.Online, and we developed DEX on Clover blockchain. And together, I want to talk about type of DEXs, how DEX work, and our DEX on Clover blockchain, and its implementation and future features. What is DEX? We all know about centralized exchanges where users um, send their money and crypto on centralized centralized exchange and exchange there in different pairs. And also exist decentralized exchange where matching engine distributed between different peoples, and also order book distributed between different peoples, and it allows to create a lot of different pairs and swap it between wallet in different peoples. How do the DEXs work? Maker creates a new order. Maker sign the order with their private key and sends all order to the blockchain, takes adds their signature to the order, and after that it validates, smart contract validates the order, and verification funds are transferred and swapped between two peoples. It is also known, the main part of DEXs is automated market maker, IMM. It allows to create different pairs, a lot of different pairs. How it works? It works as a liquidity provider. It can be a different developer or people create the pool between two tokens, for example, and create liquidity for this pool from one token and, for example, Ethereum. And after that, every people can trade on this and pay fees for these transactions. And these fees will be paid to liquidity providers. And it allows to create a lot of different pairs in different blockchains. And benefits of using a DEX, it's a vast variety. You can choose a lot of different pairs on different blockchains. It's anonymity for users of DEXs, and also utility in the development world, when each of developer in each project can create your token list on DEXs with and have a liquidity on these tokens, and a lot of people can buy or sell your token. And potential downsides, it's tricky user interface. It is difficult to interact with DEXs. You need to connect your MetaMask wallet connection or other wallets. And also it's smart contract vulnerability. It's height fees for depending on blockchains, and it's sometimes it's risky coins on DEXs when a lot of scammers create their projects lists on different DEXs, and users can buy DEXs, but liquidity provider can take all liquidity from this pool, and the price of this token goes to zero, and you can lose all funds. And the main examples of protocols of DEXs, it's first protocol, it's Uniswap and SushiSwap, a balancer with other algorithm, and the Curve, it's like a Uniswap but for stable coins. And other part of DEXs, it's layer 2 DEXs. For example, it's a DIDX and 0x protocol. It's allowed to write a transaction into layer 1 blockchain, but order book and matching engine placed in layer 2 blockchain. It allows to match and and save orders in layer 2 blockchain and don't pay a lot of fees, but main transactions will be sent into the main blockchain. We use 0x protocol, but we add some features and build this adapt for Clover blockchain, and it's our DEX. First time you can connect your wallet, and right now choose tokens and sell or buy different tokens, and also you can list new tokens on this, add liquidity, and after that have the exchange on our DEX. How our DEX can work? First of all, user creates order. After that relayers check orders, search in order book, and matching this. And after that, it write into on-chain, and it's a smart contract which check the number of orders and change balance of on-chain. The central part, it's a closed order book, and when we have one relayer, it is a centralized DEX. But when we will have different relayers, they can provide these transactions, and it's a decentralized exchange. You can contact me for all questions, and also you can list your tokens on our DEX and contact me for this. Thank you for your attention.